Hello there everyone, I'm Christy and welcome to my kitchen. So I have a very special recipe that I want to share with you today. It is for a broccoli cornbread. Now this recipe came from a dear friend of mine, Chef Laura. We both went to culinary school together, and after graduation we were caterers for a while. We would help each other out from time to time. Laura has moved away, so it's been a while since I've seen her. I really miss you, Laura. I hope we can get together one day soon. Anyway, I reached out to her and asked her for this recipe because I remember her talking about it, how much everyone loved it. She made it so much she had it memorized. So I'm excited to share her recipe with you guys today. I've got the ingredients here on my counter. I'm just going to go over those with you as I make it. I will leave you the full recipe in the description box below, but you all know what time it is. It's time to get cooking. And the full recipe uses a 9x13 baking dish. I don't need that much, so I'm going to cut it in half. So you will need a package of corn muffin mix. I'm using Jiffy. And the recipe calls for a 10-ounce bag of frozen broccoli. This is fresh broccoli that I have chopped very finely, and it's right around 2 cups. I weighed it and it was right at 5 ounces. And then 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion, 1/2 cup of small curd cottage cheese. Then I've got 2 eggs here, and I'm just going to beat them a little bit before I pour them in. All right. Then I'm going to give a pinch of salt and black pepper. And I'm just going to give this all a mix. All right, then I have an 8x8 square pan, and I'm just going to butter this dish. All right, then I'm just going to place this cornbread mixture to the bottom of my baking dish. All right, then I'm going to bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. All right, so then after it is out of the oven, then you pour 1/2 stick of butter over top. Oh, Laura, this broccoli cornbread looks fantastic. I am so excited to try it. Oh yeah. Wow. It's a great way to sneak in those vegetables. Well, Laura, I can see why this was highly requested. It is delicious. Thank you so much for sharing it with me so that I can share it with everyone on YouTube. I hope that you all have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.